Hi, I'm Jordan, and I'm the newest intern for DiveN2Life, and I'm really excited to plant some corals today.
Hi, my name's Riley. I'm the newest member of DiveN2Life, and I'm from Wilmington, North Carolina. This is the first time I'm on an actual demo, and I'm with the Coral Restoration Foundation today. We're going to go outplant some coral, and I'm super excited because I've always wanted to do something like this, and I've always wanted to do something to directly save the reef.
And I'm Cara. You recognize me. This is my second time out with Coral Restoration Foundation, but my first time out planting, and I'm really excited to dive with some new divers today.
Everybody's cold, but I'm not cold right now. It feels great out here. Now I have to get dry suit certified. It's 80 degrees.
It's warm.
Days are refreshing.
Cara, can you unzip? I need to get out of this freaking thing.
Everybody's cold but me and Joey.
It was hot.